Shane, what are you doing?
Got to move the water for the cows.
All right, so yeah, he's moved the cows to fresh grass for the morning. And so he's got to move their water with them. So you build these waters on these skids, or these troughs, I should say. We call them waters, but the trough is built on the skid. And then in our pastures, we have water line about how far apart?
Because if I don't build this, they'll step on that.
Okay, so you build this box in the skid, one, so that it's movable, but two, because the cows will step on that. When you're not using one of these, the manhole cover's on so they can't step in them.
Yeah.
It's on a quick disconnect. And these hookups are in the ground every like 150 feet.
Something like that, yeah, I think.
Roughly 150 feet. He just unhooks it. You drain it.
I drain it because it's easier to move and get it positioned where I need it on the next spot.
Trying to scrub the tank.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. Get some of this algae out of here.
Yep.
As it drains.
All right, so you've got it pulled over into the new pasture. So you just position it over the next manhole.
Yep.
And we're gonna fill it back up. Littles are always curious.